Hello, today I am here with Dr. Oriettas to answer questions regarding dental implants and hybrid dentures. Is any bone grafting, part of the procedure of a dental implant or hybrid denture?
The answer is yes and no. If a tooth is missing for a long time and you're just putting in one single implant in, typically bone grafting is not necessary at that point. However, if you're taking a tooth out and replacing it with an implant, then you would have to bone graft to fill the space between where the implant is placed and where the tooth used to be.
I have this curiosity as well, as many patients at home. Will the hybrid dentures feel like your natural teeth and look like your natural teeth?
In terms of function, they function exactly like natural teeth. You can eat pretty much everything with them, which is great. You don't have the same sensation as you would, meaning tooth sensitivity and things like that. You don't have to worry about tooth sensitivity because there's no tooth there.
If I'm a patient or a future patient and I'm nervous about what's to come during the dental implant procedure or the hybrid dentures, how can you make me feel more secure and safe?
Oh, well, during our consultation, we will go through every single thing of your medical, your dental history, surgical history. We will talk about numbing procedures. We also offer nitrous oxide sedation, also known as laughing gas. Which helps make the patients a lot more at ease and comfortable with the procedure. And we also can give oral sedation, which can also help relax the nerves a lot. But you will be completely numb during the procedure, so you shouldn't feel anything.
Nothing to worry about. And Dr. Oriettas is a specialist. He knows what he's talking about, and he's waiting for you to book your consultation and come see us here in Miami, Florida at CG Smile.